Namaste. We'll continue with Sloka 40 in chapter 2. Nehābhikrama nāśo'sti pratyavāyo na vidyate svalpam apyasya dharmasya trāyate mahato bhayāt na iha abhikrama nāśo'sti pratyavāyo na vidyate svalpam apyasya dharmasya trāyate mahato bhayāt. In the previous slokas, Bhagavan had explained Karma Yoga. Karma Yoga is doing our duties irrespective of it giving us happiness or sorrow, profit or loss, victory or defeat. Basically, doing our duties without any expectation and offering the results of that karma to the Lord. Generally, when we do an action, we see three things can happen. First, the action can actually complete and give us the result that we wanted. Second, the action can get stopped in between due to some reason and cause us loss. Again, sometimes the action can give results which were not expected by us. Bhagavan in this sloka is assuring us that Karma Yoga will not face any of the other two conditions. Now let us look at the sloka. Na iha abhikrama nāśo'sti. Abhikramaha meaning what has been started. Nāśah meaning destroyed. Let us take an example. A farmer sows seeds and has to work on the field for almost 6 months to harvest. If in between a heavy rain comes or if lot of pests come, all his work is destroyed. The crops are destroyed and hence all his efforts are destroyed. So Bhagavan here says that if someone does an action in the form of Karma Yoga, then his actions are not destroyed. Again, in the olden days, there were a lot of Vedic rituals which were done for getting desired results. For instance, for getting a son, there were yagas mentioned in the Vedas. Now, someone who starts the yaga but stops it in between for some reason, then whatever he had done till that point just goes as waste. So Bhagavan here assures that if someone does an action as Karma Yoga, the results are never lost. The second assurance that Bhagavan gives is pratyavāyo na vidyate. Pratyavāyo meaning wrong effect or reverse effect. We see this in treatments. Whenever we take a treatment, we see sometimes that there are reverse or wrong effects. Bhagavan here gives the assurance that when somebody does an action as a Karma Yoga, then there is no reverse or wrong effect. And finally, Bhagavan here says that svalpam, even you do little bit, apyasya dharmasya. If you do your actions as Karma Yoga, trāyate protects you from mahato bhayāt, from the fears of this samsara. For Karma Yoga will give us the chitta shuddhi or the purity of mind. And when we listen to the Shastras with a pure mind, knowledge dawns upon us. We'll continue again with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.